Are you watching shows on iQIYI but the language isn't right for you? In this video, I will show you how to change the language on the iQIYI app step by step so you can watch your favorite movies and series in the language you prefer. Changing the language makes it easier to enjoy content, understand subtitles, and navigate the app comfortably. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to iQIYI app. Then here in this page you will find this sign of me or profile as you see, so we'll tap here. Then in this list you will find this window of language, so we'll tap on language, and after that here you can choose or select any language you want to watch your shows or movies or series on the iQIYI app. For example, if you choose here French language like here and you click on switch, when you go to see the movie or the series you will find it in that language. You'll find the subtitles in that language. Let's try to choose this series here and we will see. As you see here, the subtitles are in French. As you see, if you want to change to English, you will go to the same place and you will switch your language to English, and you will find the subtitles of that movie or that series in English again. As you see now, the subtitles are in English as you choose or switch it here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.